Today, I'm going to show you 3 super easy ways to create trending reels. Number 1. Noise effect vibes. You've probably seen these videos on Instagram with high views. They have this lonely, desolate vibe that's super captivating. And the best part? They're really simple to make with just 2 AI images. First, come to Midjourney and use the describe prompt. Choose image and upload a screenshot from the original video. Midjourney will generate 4 prompts based on your image. Right-click the original image and copy the link. Then use the Imagine prompt, paste the link into the dialog box, and select one of the prompts. Change the image ratio to 9:16 and wait a moment. I like this one. Choose U2, right-click, and save the image. Repeat to generate another image. Now let's move to CapCut. Import the images and drag them onto the timeline. Each image lasts 3 seconds. Click on an image, go to Adjustment, and set the saturation to -20. Then go to Effects, Video Effects, TV, and choose the noise effect. Set the intensity to 15. Finally, select the jitter effect and set the range to 15. And that's it. Number 2. 3D camera motion. You've definitely seen these videos that make people feel cozy and peaceful. They're also super easy to create. First, use the same method to generate an AI image. Then open Immersity AI, formerly known as LAZIEST. Click Try Now, log into your account, and upload the image you just made with Midjourney. There are different animation styles to choose from. Pick one you like and export it. This is extremely simple. Number 3. Relaxing videos. These types of videos are also really popular on YouTube. You can add soothing music, rain sounds, or wind sounds, and making them is pretty straightforward. First, generate a similar indoor image. Then search for Photopea on Google. It's an online image editing tool similar to Photoshop. Import the generated image, select the pen tool, and cut out the window from the picture. You can use Alt and mouse wheel to zoom in and out. After cutting out the window, press Ctrl and Enter, then Backspace to delete the window. Click File and Export as PNG. Now let's move to CapCut. Import the original image and the one with the window cut out. You'll also need to download a black screen snow and fire clip from YouTube. Drag the original image onto the timeline and set the duration to 10 seconds. Add the snow clip, split the excess part. Set the blend mode to screen and adjust the position. If the snow isn't dense enough, duplicate it. Place the image with the window cut out so it looks like it's snowing outside. Then add the fire. Set the blend mode to screen and adjust the size and position. Select all the clips, right-click, and create a compound clip. Change the ratio to 9:16 and make sure the frame covers the entire screen. Now let's add keyframes to make it move. Click the first frame, add a keyframe here, and drag the frame to the far left. This is the starting point. Click the last frame, drag it to the far right, and add another keyframe. See? Super simple. Okay, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.